Welcome back to the Data Analyst. Today we are diving into another powerful non-parametric statistical test, the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. If you are comparing two related sample or repeated measurement and your data is not normally distributed, this test is for you. The Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is a non-parametric alternative to the paired t-test. It's used when you want to compare two related or meshed samples like before and after measurement without assuming normality. Let's say you measured stress level before and after a meditation program. You want to see if there is a significant change but your data is not normally distributed. So you use the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. Before you run the test, let's look at its assumptions. So assumptions of Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test are the dependent variable is ordinal or continuous. The samples are paired and come from the same population. The differences between the pairs are symmetrically distributed around the mean. This test doesn't require the data to be normally distributed, which is what makes it so useful. Hypotheses. Null hypothesis, the median difference between the paired observation is 0. Alternative hypothesis, the median difference between the paired observation is not 0. This is the dataset for today's session. This dataset contains stress level before and after a mediation program. Our goal is to see if the stress level significantly decreased. Go to Analyze, then click non-parametric test, then click related sample and click field. Put stress free into test field and stress post also into test field. Then click settings and tick the icon customize test and tick the icon Wilcoxon meshed paired signed rank test. Then click run. This is the output results that we got. Here we have the SPSS output summary. Let's break it down step by step. First, look at the asymptomatic significant two-tier value, which is 0.027. This is our p-value. Since the p-value is less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. That means there is a statistically significant difference between the stress level before and after the intervention. In simpler words, the mediation or stress reduction program did have an effect. The stress level measured after the program are significantly different and based on our data most likely lower compared to before. Let's summarize this in a formal way like you would in a research paper or report. A Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test indicated the post-program stress level was significantly lower than pre-program levels. Z equal minus 2.21 and p-value equals 0.027. This suggests a statistically significant reduction in stress following the intervention. And that's how you interpret the results of a Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test in SPSS. You look at the p-value, compared it to your significant level and made a conclusion. If you found this explanation useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more statistical tutorial. See you in the next one.